Hey, John. Well, President Trump is sending letters to 17 pharmaceutical manufacturers, calling on those manufacturers to take voluntary actions within the next 60 days to lower the price of prescription drugs in the U.S. to similar prices around the world. So he's calling for four things. He wants these companies to extend most favored nation pricing to Medicaid. He also wants them to guarantee MFN pricing for newly launched drugs. He also wants them to return increased revenues abroad to American patients and taxpayers, and to provide for direct purchasing at MFN pricing. So these, obviously those are four different points. There's some details there. We'll have to see exactly if any of these companies agree to take those actions, and some of them could have varying degrees of impact, right? So guarantee MFN pricing for newly launched drugs, that would be a little bit tricky to actually implement because typically companies launch their drugs first in the U.S., so how do you compare a price here versus overseas when there is no overseas price? Now, it will be interesting, of course, to see how these companies respond, and as you go through some of the companies that he's making this plea to, we have Lilly, Pfizer, AbbVie, and in these letters, he's actually making a personal appeal to some of these companies. For example, Lilly CEO Dave Ricks, he crossed out Mr. Ricks and wrote David, so you can see that the pressure is increasing, guys.